Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you the perfect blow dry technique. If your haircut is blow out like this, so you can get a better result. See this, I'm just applying that, leaving on down over here. So now we have put the back over here. So this is amazing result. Oh my gosh, I think every girl this video enjoy. This video is very important if you want to create a blow dry like this one. Thank you, enjoy this video. Please comment if you like this video, which one do you like.